Most people have no idea that Facebook will actually pay regular, everyday people to post content. You don't need a huge following, you don't need a fancy camera, you just need to understand how Facebook's system works. Even if you're a complete beginner or feel like just a normal person trying this out, I'm going to show you exactly how Facebook's monetization program works going into 2026. As of right now, we're in December 2025, and Facebook is the highest paying social platform out there,
just from posting videos while staying at home. I'm going to break everything down for you step by step so you can do it too. Step 1 is understanding exactly what Facebook is paying you for. Facebook has a ton of different earning programs, but as a beginner, you want to put all your focus on the Facebook monetization program. It's the easiest, most straightforward way to make money just from posting. Inside the content monetization program, you can earn from text posts, photos, reels, and even stories. Step 2 is making sure you're eligible. Go to your professional dashboard on Facebook, tap on monetization, and check your eligibility. Facebook will show you exactly which monetization features you can turn on. Each feature has its own requirements you need to meet. If you're using a regular personal profile, you probably won't see these options at all because your profile has to be switched to professional mode.
To do that, head to your Facebook profile, tap the 3 dots to open the menu, scroll down, and hit Turn on Professional Mode. That applies only if you're using a personal profile. If you have a professional page, like a public figure or a business page, you'll already be able to see all the monetization features and whether you're eligible for them right from the page settings.
Step 3 is posting content that actually performs. No, you don't need to dance, and no, you don't need to vlog your life. You can post faceless videos, tutorials, story-style content, motivational clips, anything that keeps people watching. In Facebook's monetization program, consistency and watch time are key. They need people staying on the app because your content kept them there.
And remember, this program pays you for posting, not just reels. That means text posts, photos, and stories count too. Your job is to figure out which type of content works for you. Just because I might tell you, hey, I post reels and make thousands, doesn't mean reels will be your best format.
Maybe photos perform better for you. Whatever gets the most attention on your page, stick with it, rinse and repeat. And if you want to post videos, keep in mind that reels between 8 and 15 seconds usually perform the best. Always make your content relatable and shareable. Shares matter a lot. And when it comes to making money on Facebook, you have to be consistent.
You should be posting at least 3 to 5 times per week. Honestly, 3 to 5 times per day would be even better, but the bare minimum is 3 to 5 times a week. Since the program is invite-only, posting consistently helps increase your reach. More reach means more engagement, and that signals Facebook to send you the invite faster.
Step 4, once you finally get your invite into the program, congratulations. A lot of people are still waiting for that. Next, you'll need to set up your payments. That's how Facebook will pay you. And yes, it's completely safe. People often ask if it's okay to enter their social, and yes, if Facebook itself is requesting it, it's safe. Just don't ever give that info to anyone else. Step 5 is optimizing your profile for engagement.
Once you're monetized, the more people like, comment, share, and interact with your posts, the higher your payouts will be. Don't be afraid to stir conversations, trigger reactions, or post things that spark debate. Controversial content tends to get the most engagement because people are quicker to comment something negative than something positive. If your house is messy or your day is chaotic, post it. You're going to be monetizing it anyway. Now let's talk about what you shouldn't do. First, when filming videos, always film vertically. Do not film horizontally like you're shooting for YouTube. That will create black bars, and Facebook will detect it as low-quality content. Second, avoid uploading videos that have background music you didn't add intentionally. If you're driving and music was playing, don't post it. Facebook will detect that sound, flag it for copyright, and remove your monetization. So don't upload videos with any unapproved audio.
Third, Do not repost someone else's content. Facebook is cracking down hard on stolen posts. They even released a feature that alerts you when someone is re-uploading your content and making money off of it. You can flag them and have Facebook delete the video from their page completely.
Fourth, and the last thing, avoid making posts that say stuff like, Facebook pays me for engagement, so comment on this. People do not want to help you make money when you openly tell them that. It actually pushes people away, so avoid posting things like that. I don't know about you, but I love creating content. So if you're ready to stop posting for free, turn on professional mode, track your analytics, figure out which posts perform best, and start building something that pays you every single month. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, not for me, but for you. This channel is here to help you grow your brand and build your income, all for free.